Shalom and welcome to Biblical Hebrew Bereishit. Bereishit 1 verse 30. Uchal hayat haaretz uchal uf hashamayim uchol romes al haaretz asher bo nefesh chaya it kol yarek eshev leachla vehi chen. Traditional translation: and to all the beasts of the earth, and to all the fowl of the heavens, and to everything that moves upon the earth, in which there is a living spirit, every green herb to eat. And it was so. Uchal. Traditional translation: and to all. The vav is a prefix that means and. The lamed is a prefix that means to. Chal is a particle that means all or every. Hayat. Traditional translation: the beast. This comes from the root word chai, which is a feminine noun that means living thing or animal. Haaretz. Traditional translation: of the earth. The hay is a prefix that means the. Aretz is a feminine noun that means land, earth, ground, or surface of the earth. Ulchal. Traditional translation: and to all. The vav is a prefix that means and. Lamed is a prefix that means to. Chal is a particle that means all or every. Of. Traditional translation: the fowl. This is a masculine noun that means flying creatures, fowl, insects, or birds. Hashamayim. Traditional translation: of the heavens. Hay is a prefix that means the. Shamayim is a masculine noun that means heaven, as in the abode of God, heaven, heavens, or sky. Ulchol. Traditional translation: and to everything. Vav is a prefix that means and. Lamed is a prefix that means to. Chol is a particle that means all or every. Romes. Traditional translation: that moves. It comes from the root word ramas, which is a verb that means to creep, to move lightly, to move about, or to walk on all fours. All. Traditional translation: upon. This is a preposition that means on, over, upon, about, concerning. Haaretz. Traditional translation: the earth. Hay is a prefix that means the. Aretz is a feminine noun that means land, earth, ground, or surface of the earth. Asher. Traditional translation: in which there is. This is a conjunction that means that, when, since, or as. Bo. Traditional translation: there is a. Nefesh. Traditional translation: spirit. This is a feminine noun that means soul, self, life, creature, or living being. Chaya. Traditional translation: living. This is a masculine noun that means life, sustenance, or maintenance. 8. This is a particle. It is a sign of the definite direct object, not translated in English, but generally precedes and indicates the accusative. Kol. Traditional translation: every. This is a particle that means all or every. Yarech. Traditional translation: green. This is a masculine noun that means green, greenness, green plants, or greenery. Eshev. Traditional translation: herb. This is a masculine noun that means herb, herbage, grass, or green plants. La'achla. Traditional translation, to eat. Lamed is a prefix that means to. Achla, this is a feminine noun that means food. Vehi, traditional translation, and it was. Chen, traditional translation, so. This comes from the root word kun, which is a verb that means to be firm, to be stable, to be established. Thanks for listening. Shalom.